Good evening, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on December 24th, Christmas Eve of 2021. I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas coming up. This is what we're looking at for today from December 24th, and we actually got a good number of some decent C flares. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 peaks, it looks like. Of course, pretty much since yesterday we've been mostly living in C class, and yeah, still living in constant C class flare. Got a couple of little dips that we got down into the B's, but that's all right. At least we're not getting up into the M's. But let's go take a look at what we got as far as absorption. I'm sure we'll see some unfortunates in there. And this is our X-ray absorption chart. Looks like we were pretty much dancing on between 10 and 15 for the latter part of the day, from 1700 UTC, which would be 5 p.m. UTC time. And this is what a constant state of C looks like. Just constant radiation all day long, having some little pops and having a couple of smaller pops like that one there. Looking like we're pretty much right at 10. And earlier today we did have some that were popping up into 15 and 17. Those larger C-class flares that we saw. So yeah, let's take a peek up here at what our KP index is. Oh, looks like we've got 3s and 2s tomorrow. We're going to be 3s first thing in the morning. Goes down to 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 for a little bit. So we know that we got a little bit of plasma coming in, and then 3s and 2s, because yeah, it's predicted that we're pretty much going to be staying in the C class flare, which is where we are at, right into low C's. And jumping over here to LASCO C2 and LASCO C3, we are at Space Weather Prediction Center. We were at spaceweatherlive.com a moment ago. And right off the get, what do we have? Hey there, little friend. How you doing? Yep, there's another one. Now, we actually did have a nice little pop off the right side of the sun. And, oh, look at that. Looks like one's going by, coming away from the sun. But it also looks like we got a little... Now, this is going away from us. It's not coming at us. But if we looky here, yeah, buddy, it's getting pushed out and away. Oh, look at that, something going right through it. You would think with all the pressure pushing off, there'd be no way something could go straight through it. Huh, that's interesting. So, yep, I think something gets pushed off, and we can clearly see it right there as it's coming around. The flare actually lights it up and pushes it off. And we can do a nice little confirmation of that over on LASCO C3. Oh, look, we got a couple of friends there. One over here to the right, little triangle shape, and another one over there. It's kind of hard to see his shape. It's a little pixelated, but that's definitely one. Oh, there's another one, top right. All right, now let's go take a peek at LASCO C3. Let it download for a second. Whoop. Tap on her, and here we go. Yeah, we've got a couple little friends here and there that do show up. There's another one halfway up to the left, about 11 o'clock. Oh, look at that. Look at the about 7 o'clock. Got a, it's kind of a funny shaped one there. Can't really make it out, but it's definitely a winged craft of some sort. Another Borg cube light bending technology. Oh, look. Though this one looks kind of funny, don't it? Squared with wings? That's odd. Probably just how the data has got it coming in. And here it goes another light bending on us. And here we're going to zoom in. Here we go. And there it is. See? Right there. Beautimus. Nice and round, being pushed off. Tumbled and pushed. Uh-oh. Doggone it. Don't you hate it when they do that? Sometimes when they do that, it actually allows us to see this a little bit better, but it's far enough off that it's actually conveniently here where we can't see it this time around. So that's kind of a bother. But yep. Oh, look. Uh-oh. Look at that. 3.5 hours of missing data. Why did they do that? Wonder what else happened. Let's go have a look over here at Solar Dynamic Observatory. and see what we can find. I will say this, folks. This is one pissed off active region. Holy smokes. Watch this thing build in intensity. Look at that. Ooh, did you see that pop? Oh yeah. We're gonna have to go take a a little look-see-wooksy on our on old red and see our filament. Look at that thing getting up there. Look at that. Boy, she is pissed. Ooh, that's bright. Woo! Let's go look at some others. Alright. Thought I'd stop us right over here. Oh, come on, you bloody thing. And we are at 193 angstroms of light. And yeah, look at this. Very, very rarely do I actually see one of our little friends shooting by and traversing the sun like that in this angstrom of light, but there he is. Very nice. I'm glad to see that every once in a while on ones that I don't normally see. But yeah, this area we definitely see a nice little pop. Boom. Yeah, buddy. Let's back that up a little bit. That was a pretty decent explosion. We do have a little bit of solar tsunami with it. Not a huge one, but there was definitely a decent plasma release out of that. Man, that thing is just, that whole region is just lit up and pissed. Ooh. Now here we are over at 304 angstroms of light. And as we can see over here, we do see the plasma coming into this area, charging up. When it does spill out, it's a little more difficult to see here. You can see it spitting out here, spitting out over here. But if anybody's peripheral vision is as good as mine, did you see what happened over here? Watch this. Something's going on this side over here. And there's a lot of plasma getting released. Look at that. What in the fragnog happened there? Let's look a little bit closer. Of course, it looks like we got a couple of friends shooting by. Oh, there went one, two. Look at that. Did you see that? Man, I'm almost worried about what's coming around the corner up here on the top side. Look at that. That was a throw off. Whoa. Holy smokes, folks. That was insane. Oh, yeah, there's one little guy there. Oh, come on, where is it at? Sorry. There he is. There's another one. Yep, we got two of them. Very interesting. But, yeah, holy smokes, what's going on over here? Now, we do have a little bit of plasma going on down here. Right here, a little bit came off. Not a whole lot, not a whole ton to worry about. Just little plasma release in our direction. Nothing to be overly concerned about. But y'all are seeing that? Yeah. Let's just hope that whatever caused that is calmed the hell down by the time it comes around us. Look at how thick and dense that plasma discharge is. Holy crap. That is a frickin' buttload. Woo. And over 335 angstroms of light. We actually have quite a few visitors traversing the sun. Again, oh, see that one? We got one here. How you doing, buddy? And we've got another one right over in here. Just a few frames later. Where are you? Oh, really? I might have already passed it, actually. Oh, there's one here. Barely see him. See him? There's actually another one. I might have already passed him. Little turd. I thought I had him. Not sure where he went. Look at that. Of course, we had a nice little flare there. A little bit of plasma coming out with that. Not a ton. That's that spot that I was telling you about that we got a little bit coming up at us. But nothing much to be concerned about. Can't really get the oh, look at that. There's another one. Right there. Getting a lot of activity on the sun from the guys going by. Oh, there he is. I knew he was there somewhere. There he is. But couldn't really see anything going off the backside on this one here. But yeah, this region, whew, that's an insane one. We can absolutely see the pop on it right there. Whoop. See that? That's a nice little pop. Fun stuff going on. Let's go check out another angstrom of light. And over here at 94 angstroms of light, figured I'd kind of start us off looking right at where the flares are coming from. These two spots here, definitely lighten up the region. Not a very happy sun. She's a wee grumpy. She's a wee grumpy. And here we can see the pop off the right side there. Nice little plasma discharge with it. Very forceful though. Very forceful, concentrated, quite powerful coronal mass ejection actually. The flare itself wasn't super bad, but yeah, that was definitely a forceful push straight out. Woof. Yeah, I'm actually kind of worried about what's coming around the other side of it. Oh, look. Looks like we got another friend here. Very interesting. Let's go take a look at seeds. And we are over here at seeds near real time. And I'm going to start us off with right about the explosion. That forceful push that we saw. And once again, here we go. We can see our little buddy here. See him there. We also can see him right here. Perfectly round, coming around the bin. So keep your eye on that as it gets pushed. Oh, actually, I might be standing corrected, folks. It's actually right here. Well, that looks like one too. What is going? Maybe there's two of them there. But yeah, he's right here in the glow of it. How it kind of comes down and then cuts back in and then comes out. So yeah, this right here would actually be right here, and we can see it as it comes out. See the nice rounded shape there. Yeah, that's definitely it. Oh boy. Yeah. Look at all this. What's happening there? Maybe that is the second one that was getting pushed off. Yeah. Kind of moves quite a bit there, doesn't it? Yep, and it's still kind of sitting there almost, isn't it? And of course it finally gets the big push. Fun stuff, but once again, that is not coming at us. Oh, look, there's a little friend dive bombing with a little fla la 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 behind him. It almost looks like there's another one right here coming around the corner, doesn't it? Uh-oh. What is that? And we can actually see this right here in this area. It's a little more difficult to see there, but you can definitely see something is being moved and pushed. Displaying 77. I like the number 77. Just something about 77. Well, that's about all I've got to report on today, folks. Been kind of busy. Went and saw The Matrix Resurrection. Definitely highly recommend. It was a great movie, especially if you're awake. There's a lot of drops in there of Easter eggs, if you will. So you guys have a good one. I will do one for tomorrow. I'll always make sure I'm up to date, and I'll keep you guys updated as well for space weather events. God bless everybody. Have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope that you have an enjoyable time with your families. Love always wins.